So the latest variety from Bayer in terms of the DEKALB maize breeding line is DKC2742. Variety is an FAO 190 and classified as an early main crop variety, suitable for biogas plants like this. So for those growers who are after a variety which has high dry matter, excellent quality, and will return a high biogas yield, DKC2742 is a sure bet. So if you're considering growing maize next year and you want a variety which is going to have a strong start with big energy, consider growing DKC2742.
So I'm Hayley Wellings, Technical Seed Specialist with ProCam. So when we're assessing varieties, we're looking at them sort of well ahead of them reaching market. We want varieties which are going to perform year on year, and 2742 is coming out really well in terms of both dry matter yields and energy yields. As breeders have actually improved genetics, there's been a huge increase in terms of yields that are possible from varieties, and we're seeing FAO 180, 190 varieties now reaching the same sort of yields that we could only get from our 230, 250 FAO varieties 5–10 years ago. So there isn't that need to go for late varieties in order to achieve those yields. And the DKC2742 is a perfect example of that, coming in at around an FAO 190 and being pretty much one of the highest yielding varieties on the list. You know, yield certainly isn't all necessarily related to the height of the plant. And you know, if you look at the green portion of the plant, you can get varieties which have much broader leaves on them. And the Bayer varieties would be examples of that. They are very wide-leaved, leafy varieties. So within the plant part, within the green part of the plant, you are getting a lot more biomass than you might do from another variety of the same height.
We have very early varieties here, but over on the lighter land, we're looking to remove the existing variety, which is now getting harder to get hold of, to replace it with a Bayer variety that we've trialled. The most likely is DKC2742, because we noticed a really strong early vigor in the variety. It and its sister next to it, both DKC varieties, were inches taller a lot quicker. You could see them, you didn't have to walk the plot and see the labels to see the difference.